Hi everyone. Ang topic natin today ay division of fraction. Meron lang tayong rule na kailangan i-apply, which is yung KCF or keep, change, and flip. Paano siya i-apply? Tara, simulan natin sa unang tanong. 2/3 divided by 4. Apply natin yung keep. Keep natin yung unang fraction, 2/3. Okay. Inawan ko lang. Then change from division, gawin natin siyang multiplication. Then flip. Flip natin itong after ng division symbol. So, di ba si 4 whole number, may over 1 yan. Pagka pinlift natin yan, magiging 1 over 4 na yan. Then proceed na tayo sa multiplication. Okay? But check kung may cancellation. Si 2 at si 4 pwede makancel. Pareho silang divisible by 2. Si 2 dito magiging 1 at si 4 dito magiging 2. Check mo pa yung denominator nito at yung numerator nito. Wala na. So multiply na natin. 1 times 1 is 1 over 3 times 2 is 6. So 1 over 6. Next tayo sa question. 1 and 7 over 8 divided by 6. Paano to? Mixed number siya. So yung mixed number, gagawin muna natin siyang improper fraction. So 8 times 1 is 8 plus 7 is 15 over 8. Then kopyahin lang muna natin. Hindi muna natin i-apply yung KCF. Okay? Now, kapag naka-improper fraction na lahat ng mixed number, i-apply na natin or ready na tayong i-apply yung keep, change, and flip or the KCF. Keep natin yung first fraction, 15 over 8. Change from division, gawin natin siyang multiplication. And then, change. Diba si whole number 6 may over 1 yan. So, pag pinlift natin yan, magiging 1 over 6. Then, check for any cancellation. Si 15 at si 6, pareho silang divisible by 3. So, pag dinivide natin si 15 by 3, magiging 5. At si 6, dinivide sa 3, magiging 2. Si 8 and 1, hindi na pwedeng makancel. So, proceed na tayo sa multiplication. 5 times 1 is 5. Over 8 times 2, 16. Next, paano naman kapag nasa unahan yung whole number? Kasi sa first two questions natin, nasa dulo or nasa after ng division sign yung whole number. Paano kapag nasa unahan? Okay, makikita natin na may mixed number ulit dito. So, gagawin muna natin siyang improper fraction bago tayo mag-apply ng KCF. Okay, 8 divided by, changing it into improper fraction, 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7 over 3. Now, na-change na natin ng mixed number into improper. Ready na tayo to apply the KCF. K is keep. So, di ba si 8 ay may over 1? Keep natin yan, 8 over 1. Change from division, gawing multiplication. And then, flip. From 7 over 3, gawin natin 3 over 7. Then, check for any cancellation. Si 8 and 7, wala namang makakancel. Si 1 and 3, wala rin namang makakancel. So, proceed tayo sa multiplication. Okay? 8 times 3 is 24 over 1 times 7 is 7. Kasi yung ating answer ay naka-improper fraction, kailangan lang natin siyang gawing mixed number. So, magiging 24 divided by 7 is 3. Let's copyahin mo kagad yung denominator. 7 times 3 is 21. Ilan pa yung kulang para maging 24? 3. So, ang final answer natin ay 3 over 7. Next question tayo. Pag pareho naman silang mixed number. Pag pareho silang mixed number, paano yung gagawin? Una, hindi pa natin i-apply si KCF kasi nga meron pa tayong mga mixed number. Ang gagawin natin, gawin muna natin silang mga improper fraction. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Divided by, division pa rin muna kasi hindi pa natin ginagamit yung KCF. 10 times 1 is 10, plus 9 is 19. So, lahat na ng mixed number na gawa na natin siyang improper fraction, pwede na natin i-apply yung KCF. Okay? K, keep natin yung first fraction, 3 over 2. Change natin from division to multiplication. And flip natin si 19 over 10, gawin natin 10 over 19. Now, check for any cancellation. Si 3 at si 19, hindi naman makakancel. Pero si 2 and si 10, makakancel. Pareho silang divisible by 2. Si 2 dito, magiging 1. At si 10 dito, magiging 5. Now, ready na tayo for multiplication. 3 times 5 is 15. Over 1 times 19 is equals to 19. Then, ito na yung ating final answer. I hope naintindihan mo. Salamat sa panonood.